What is up, YouTube? This is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater, and today we are doing a Dreamedia Ask the Team video. You guys have been commenting us on YouTube, and we wanted to respond back and help the community out with some of our knowledge that we have and we've acquired over the years in home theater. So today we are going to discuss why we don't always have ideal speaker placement in the videos that we show on YouTube. You guys know that we show thousands of different real life customer theater rooms, and you guys are commenting, saying, hey, that's not what I would have done, and this is janky or whatever, or you should have done it like this. So we're gonna talk about in this video why you don't always see that ideal speaker placement, because believe me guys, we give it our all. So if you would like to purchase anything, make sure to reach out and show your support. We have all the industry leading products to choose from, guys. We would love the opportunity to earn your business. All right, let's get into this video. All right, guys, thank you for joining us today on our Zoom meeting with the Dream Team. Today, we are going to be discussing why in our videos we do not always have ideal speaker placement. This is a huge thing that we see on our YouTube channel where you guys are like, wow, these guys are just rookies. They have no idea what they're doing. So today, what we're going to do is discuss why you could potentially see less than ideal speaker placement in some of our videos. Chris, that home theater dude is in the house. You want to start us off here?
Yep. So probably the most common question or comment that I see on YouTube is that you guys are always kind of like giving us jabs for putting speakers in the wrong spot or not the ideal placement. A lot of the times we don't have control over that. So it could be everyone's room's different, right? Everyone's room has different construction. Everyone has different materials. And sometimes the pre-wiring doesn't go the way it's supposed to. So whenever the pre-wiring happens, sometimes the contractors that do it don't necessarily put them in the right spot, or they put them at the wrong angle or whatever it may be. So we try to work with our customers, whether it be right in the fledgling stages, whenever they call us and basically contact us to deck out their home theater. And we ask those questions like, where are the pre-wired locations? Like sometimes I get this all the time. Like people are asking, well, they tell me they have a pre-wired for a 7.1. And then I ask for the locations and they say, well, I have 3 up front, I have 2 in the ceiling, and then I have 2 on the back wall. So that to me isn't a 7.1. That to me is a 5.1.2 or whatever it may be. So a lot of the times we try to work with the customers and make it ideal, but I get it. Sometimes they aren't in the right or the correct location or the proper or the most efficient. But at the same time, it could not just be us installing it. We could just, sell you a speaker and you have either you do it or you have your local contractor do it. And I think that's a lot of the times that we find that they're not ideal in the best location. Is it going to completely trash the experience? I seriously doubt it. It could be more efficient, and that's basically where I'm going to leave it there. What do you guys think?
Yeah, just piggybacking off of what you said, Chris. I mean, it all boils down to where those pre-wired locations are and is it worth it? What's optimal may not be worth changing the pre-wired location to refix the drywall, get a painter to come back in. Exactly. So you got to ask yourself, when wanting to move those speakers to an optimal placement, at the end of the day, there may be a lot more that goes into getting that speaker to drop down a foot or on the other side of a stud. You can't do that if there's no attic space behind the wall, things like that. So yeah, just kind of piggybacking off what you said.
And usually it's not just as easy as, just taking a wire and moving it from one location and moving it to the next. There could be fire blocks in there. There could be double, triple studs.
Foam
and
insulation.
There could be an exterior wall and stuff like that. So that foam insulation, that double insulation on exterior walls, nightmare, especially if it's on the first floor and then you have to worry about getting it up and over through the joists, or even if it's on that exterior wall right next to butting up against the threshold of the house, whatever the attic hits that exterior wall, that's difficult. So a lot of this stuff just isn't easy.
I can't even tell you guys how many times our installers go to put a speaker in the wall and there's a nice big plumbing pipe right there.
Or a gas line.
Or a gas line, yeah.
Exactly.
Or you actually have something that is part of the structure of the home that's physically holding the house up that just can't be removed. Like there was a really cool video that Chris recorded where there were THX clip speakers and they were higher than we would have liked. Well, the reason was because there was a bathroom on the other side. Not only was there plumbing in the way, but we were working with the floor joist that lined up with the other room. So there were like stairs going up and just a lot of obstacles. So
exactly. So it's not always cookie cutter. The answer isn't always, apparent. You guys only see the end product, and then you guys can, the keyboard warriors out there that may be, we'll sit there and make comments about it. But there's a lot of stuff that's thought out, and we definitely take that into consideration for sure.
I mean, the sooner you can get in contact with us guys, that's really the key. Like when the framing is going into place on a new construction home, we can literally make that theater absolutely perfect. And you've seen that in many of our theaters that we've shown on the YouTube channel where it is a perfect 7.2.6. But that required planning. So we get a ton of people, probably a good 80% of the clients that reach out to us and they're like, well, here's the room I have. What can you do? And we're like, well, don't worry. What we're going to do is present to you the optimal choice for this space. And we go by Dolby Atmos's recommendations. You can even go to their website and do it yourself. And we're gonna recommend that, but the clients aren't always choosing it. So that's really what it is us as the professionals giving the clients options, giving you options. If you're researching a home theater right now, you'll see when you reach out to us that we're gonna say, hey, this is the proper way to do it, but we understand there's wife approval, there's amount of effort that's needed to actually accomplish that goal, and you can decide what you want to do. So I think that's about a wrap. You guys get it. We're here giving you the options, and it's up to you what you want to choose. But we are going to continue to deliver the absolute best experience to our clients as often as we can.
All right, I hope that you guys enjoyed this content. You got to subscribe to the channel because we're going to be putting out tons of videos of comments that you guys have asked us, questions you guys have been commenting on the YouTube channel, and we're going to do our best to answer those questions because we really appreciate y'all's support and business. Now, that leads me into the next thing. If you would like to purchase anything home theater related, make sure to reach out and show your support. We would love the opportunity to earn your business. All right, well, till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.